It was an awesome play, amazing to be a part of it, albeit in the audience, but also in terms of my whakapapa, my whānau whakapapa as well.
I thought it was really good. It was, for me, it was a real mixture of emotions, very confronting, yet it had that balance of comedy.
Showing how the generations weave through time down to Ruapani, and like, that was like, whoa! Super powerful moment for me was climbing up to Ngātapa. Oh, far out. And I had no tissue.
Being dispossessed as an iwi, how do we regain our mana? And that's what I learned tonight. There is hope to regain our mana.
No, awesome. Made me cry towards the end.
Brilliant, like words can't describe, and all the feels from the audience, the emotion, from laughter to tears.
Yay, that was really cool. So those were the big things for me, whether our people would take what we offered and whether they would be okay with it, and they were more than okay with it, they were proud of it.
This is a special audience, and I've never had that kind of experience before, making a show for our people, where it's specifically about their whakapapa.
Very emotional, and I think the story spoke for itself. And I think it spoke the Rongowhakaata Tūronga Nui a Kiwa story, and I think that's a real honour to be able to bring forward our story and kind of lead the way.
And that is a wrap. Woo! And that is a wrap on our All Roads to Lead. All Roads lead to Ruapani.
1, 2, 3.
All roads lead to Ngātapa. Ngātapa. That's Ruapani.